Hello everyone, I'm going to introduce you the new Danbooru Gallery version 0.7.0. Blah blah. The app uses several permissions. One is to write your USB storage to save the cache files, and the other is the internet. I don't think I have to explain why we need that. Alright. Okay. The first time you launch this app, there will be an empty screen with a drawer. You have to add some new booru sites by yourself, and I'm going to add some here, like the famous Danbooru with the URL. For Danbooru, you will need a username and a password. I'm not going to show you my password here, so I'll just paste it. And you can set the page limits. That's how many posts it will try to fetch per once. Okay, and save. Oops, I typed the wrong URL, so I will just edit it. And save again. Okay, and let's just add some more booru sites. Okay. We will try to give you all the posts from all sites in a huge list. Swiping from the right edge will bring you the filter menu, so you can tick whatever posts you want to see, like the ratings and the image resolutions. And here's the search menu. You can either click on something. Oops. It clears out my search terms. So I'm just going to type it here, right? And hit submit. You will get your posts filtered by that tag. And if you hit space, it will give you a new list of tags you just searched. So you can click on something. You can click on an item and it will add to the search terms. So this time you're searching through 2 tags. If you long click on an item, you get a pop-up menu. You can share the post, or you can view it on the view it in the browser. Sorry for the slow internet. Okay. Or you can see the tags for this post. Well, if you hit on something, you just replace your search terms with the one you just clicked. Okay. And you can also download the post directly. You will download the full size image to your gallery, to your SD card, so you can view it with your gallery app. Oops, text to speech engine stopped. What the heck? Okay, and this is the setting menu. You can configure the item you want to see per column, per row. So this time you have 4 columns. Okay. So if you have a tablet, you can take this all the way to 10 columns. But it's not very good for a cell phone because you can barely see nothing. Alright, I'm just going to put it back to 3. And you can tick off the sticky grid header. For the grid, you just have a header over there, and if you tick it off, it will not stick at the top of the grid. Oops. Okay, it will not stick there. And this time it sticks at the top, so you know which date you are viewing. And you can also tick off the post ID and image resolution, so you get a cleaner view. But in my opinion, I personally like the resolution, so I will just put it back. Okay. And there are some other options you can play yourself. I'm not going to introduce them here. Okay. And once you hit a image, it brings you to the detail view. You can double tap to zoom and pinch to zoom and swipe to see the next and previous image. It's just like how you would use a stock gallery app. And single click will bring you the context, and you can see the tags. It's pretty much the same from the pop-up menu. So if you click on something, it will just replace your search term. You might have to wait a little bit for the image to load, depending on your network connections. Okay. And you can share. Or there's an autoplay feature. You can just watch the autoplay. And you can set the speed in settings. This is the default is 5 seconds, so if you like 3 seconds or 8 seconds or 1 minute or something else, you can just go to settings and set yourself. Hit anywhere on the screen will just stop the autoplay. Okay, this is it. So if you feel like turning off this browser tab, you can do it right now. And thanks for watching, and I hope you find this app useful. Thanks.